Hello! Today we're going to show you how to make your coffee maker better by combining a multiple of them into one more powerful one. Let's start by disassembling two of them and taking the heating resistors out. Now we'll drill a hole there so that we can attach the tubings together. Now that there's a proper hole here, we'll put the heating resistors in series and hope that they help each other to boil the water and make it more quick, and then we'll just connect the tubings. Now we'll insulate the wires with some duct tape to make it safe to use. So there it is in all its glory, and now we'll test if it even works. So now it's all set up, and now we'll just put water in there and see if it works. It seems that something's a bit wrong. Yeah. Let's try again. Well, it's a much better smoke machine than a coffee maker. So we put about 1 liter of water there, and this came out heated up. So it's pretty efficient. The rest of the water evaporated into air, and the coffee maker uses about 4 kilowatts of electricity, so pretty efficient. So we fixed it. One of the heating resistors was pushing the water in the wrong direction, and that's why it didn't work. But now it's in the right direction and it works actually pretty well. I think it's quite a bit faster than a normal coffee maker. So that's how you turbocharge your coffee maker. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.